What is desertion as grounds for divorce? Imagine waking up one day and finding your partner has left without any warning or explanation. That situation can be heartbreaking and confusing, especially when you're wondering if it's enough to end the marriage legally. Today, we're going to talk about desertion as a reason to get divorced. Desertion happens when one spouse intentionally leaves the other without a good reason, consent, or the intention to come back. It's like one person just walks away from the marriage and stops participating in the relationship. Usually, the law requires that this abandonment lasts for a specific period, often at least 1 year, but it can be longer depending on where you live. The main parts of desertion include the willful departure from the shared home, the clear intention to end the marriage, leaving without permission, and staying apart for the required time. It's important to note that desertion is a fault-based reason for divorce. This means the person filing for divorce must prove that the other spouse deliberately abandoned the marriage. This is different from no-fault divorce, where no one is blamed. There are two types of desertion. Actual desertion is when a spouse physically leaves the home and does not come back for the necessary period. Constructive desertion is when one spouse's behavior makes the other want to leave, even if they did not physically walk out. For example, if one partner is abusive or neglects their duties, the other might feel forced to leave. To use desertion as a legal reason for divorce, the abandonment must be without a valid reason, like temporary work trips or caring for a sick family member. It also must happen without the consent of the spouse left behind. If the deserting spouse comes back but still does not want to stay married, the clock on desertion can keep ticking. Proving desertion can influence the divorce process. It can show fault, which might affect how property is divided, whether spousal support is awarded, or custody decisions are made. However, many places now allow no-fault divorces, so desertion might not be the only reason used. Understanding desertion helps spouses know their options if they believe their partner has abandoned them without cause. It provides a legal basis to start divorce proceedings and settle financial or child custody matters. If you think desertion is involved in your situation, talking to a lawyer can help you understand what steps to take and how to prove your case.